జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సీతారామ లక్ష్మణ, 3 of them almost about to reach Sudarshana ashramam. On their way, Sri Ramachandra Swami saying to his brother Lakshmana Swami, saying that, "Oh Lakshmana, this Sudarshana Mahamuni's brother is Agastya Mahamuni. He always craves for the welfare of the entire world. Oh Lakshmana, what happened once, there used to be 2 demons called as Vatapi, Ilvala. They used to live here in this place. So every day they used to, both of them, Vatapi, Ilvala, used to kill so many Brahmanas." How you know? Ilvala, he used to take a form of Brahmana, Dharayan Brahmanam Rupam. He becomes a Brahmana and he goes to the other Brahmanas and speaks in Sanskritam Vadan. He conveys, he communicates with them in a Sanskrit language. And then he asks, "Oh Brahmanas, Amantrayati Shraddham Uddisya. I am performing ancestral prayer, Shraddha Karma. You all please come." Like that, this Ilvala used to go to Brahmanas and invites for Shraddha Karma. They used to come. By then, this Ilvala used to make his Vatapi, his brother, as a goat. Then he cooks that goat. Ilvala cooks the goat, and whoever comes, those Brahmanas, whoever comes for Shraddha Karma, this Ilvala used to give that goat to them so that they all used to eat. After they eat, all the Brahmanas eat, then Ilvala used to say, "Vatape Nishkramasva, you please come, ho Vatapi, you please come." Like that, he used to ask and he used to say it loudly, Mahata Vadan. He used to call Vatapi very loudly. Then Vatapi becomes goat, and while chasing out, while peeling out all the bodies of Brahmanas whoever have eaten that meat, he used to peel out all their bodies and comes out. Like that, Ilvala and Vatapi, in this process, they used to kill thousands of Brahmanas every day. Then, one fine day, all the devatas approached Agastya Mahamuni and asked him to help. They complained about this to Agastya Mahamuni and asked Agastya Mahamuni to save all the Brahmanas from Vatapi and Ilvala. Then Agastya Mahamuni became one Brahmana and came to Ilvala. As usual, Ilvala asked Agastya Mahamuni, "Please come for Shraddha Karma." Then he came and Ilvala gave meat again to Agastya Mahamuni. Then he ate that. After that, Ilvala asked Agastya, "Are you happy with whatever that I offered to you?" Then Agastya Mahamuni said, "Yes, I am very much pleased and I am very much satisfied." Then Ilvala gave Dattva Hastodakam Tataha. Ilvala gave water to Agastya Mahamuni so that he can do Uttaraposanam and he can get up from there. Then as soon as Agastya Mahamuni did Uttaraposanam, Ilvala started, as usual, he started asking Vatapi Nishkramasva. He started calling Vatapi. Then Agastya Mahamuni says to Ilvala, "There is no Vatapi anymore. Kuto Nishkramitum Sektihi. No Vatapi. He has no any more ability to come out. because maya jeernasya, I digested Vatapi into my body. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.